Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at a parallax example, and a parallax is a cool effect, a scrolling effect with images where you can actually scroll and see different parts of the image, and it's a really nice effect, and we may use this in a project, but it's actually pretty simple to implement. What we're going to do is take this top div here. You'll see we have this div, it ends here, and then we have another div that goes around all the content, and then again another div around the image. Okay, so we're going to have two images with some content in the middle. So this div here, we're going to give a class of parallax container. Okay, so that Materialize knows this is going to be a parallax effect, and we'll give this div a class of just parallax, and then we'll have an image that we want to use. So I'm going to use image1. JPEG, and this right here is going to be, it's going to have a class of section. That's what we want to put around our content, and then I'm also going to give it a class of white, make sure the background's white, and then let's give this a class of row and container, which the container I don't think we really need because we actually have this inside a container already, but that's fine. And then the h2 is going to have a class of header. Okay, we don't need anything on the content, on the paragraph, but down here we want another parallax container. So on this div, and you can have as many of these as you want. And then the image will be image2.jpg. So let's save that. Now we're not going to see anything yet because again this has to be initialized, so we're going to go down here into the JavaScript and we're going to say the class of parallax, and we're just going to call dot parallax and save, and there we go. Now notice that when I scroll you can see different parts of the image. So for instance, this part of the code in this image, if I scroll up, it hides it. Okay, so it gives you a really nice effect, and you can create some really cool projects using this effect, and it's very easy to implement. Okay, so short video, but I wanted to just dedicate a video to this particular component. So in the next one, we're going to take a look at the side nav.